This is just a quick video of the MBRP exhaust from the catalytic converter back. Alright, so I got it clamped there. It can get real tight on that one. And then it goes all the way to the hanger, which you have to, I'm assuming you got to clamp it like this. So it's a double hanger to the other side. It comes with the kit. It fits pretty good. And I got it clamped. And mind you, mine's a long bed, so as far as 6.7 liter 2500 Rams Cummins. And then the pipe that goes over the axle, got it clamped there pretty tight too. So that's the clamp to the hanger. The reason why I had to get another clamp, and that's for the last piece of the tailpipe, which goes out to the tip, and the one on the last piece, it's got to go to another hanger. Again, it's exactly the same way as it is right here. I didn't understand the concept of it until I figured it out. But on this one, it's not really, I've got it clamped to the tightest I can get it before I break something, but it's still loose. I don't think it's gonna come off, but it's kind of wobbly right here. It's on the hanger. The clamp's on real super tight, like it's bottomed out to the point where it can't do anything else, but maybe that's what it's supposed to do. I don't think it is, but I don't know if it's gonna fall. And it's just, there's too much clearance in there. Anyways, it comes out to the tip. The tip's real nice. I think it looks pretty sharp. And it does not change the sound whatsoever. Well, I guess it's not gonna work, so, because I already started it twice. Anyhow, it doesn't change the sound of the exhaust note. It sounds exactly the same. So, but other than that, I think it's okay. I don't know if that's supposed to be super tight, but it worked out.